Welcome to my shop. In this video I want to use some Valcromat scraps and birdseye maple veneer to build a magnetic knife block as a present for a friend of mine. After some measurements and scrap lines, it is time to cut. But not before playing with some angles. Being happy with my dimensions, I can align the parts and mark them for my biscuit jointer to cut. Let's see how it fits. And of course there was some testing involved. You gotta know how many magnets you need. Drilly McDrillface, please help me out to fit them. For the Glueup I prepared some ply with cling wrap. Glue tends to squeeze out of the birdseye. This way I prevent the pieces to end up sticking to each other. The magnets are fixed with some CA, and that's the cause for the shadows. Let's spread some glue and Speedy Gonzales will help out with the clamps. An even squeeze out is a very good sign. Oh, and honey, no, I still don't have enough clamps. After a few hours I removed the clamps. I really thought I could trim the veneer off with an X-Acto, but different measures were needed. Having worked on the opposite side as well, I can glue now the bottom on. For that I've put the piece level in my vise. And now adding glue and biscuits. Having angles other than 90 or 45 degrees is always troublesome, but using my vise as counterpart of the bottom, I should get it clamped. Some Q-tips help with the squeeze out. Now to the finale. For the finish I've prepared a piece of scrap with nails in position of the feet, so I can apply the finish in one go. I also made sure it won't rock. As a finish, I've prepared some shellac and isopropyl alcohol with a ratio of 1:5. After a few days, it dissolves completely and looks like this. Gloves aren't really needed, but fingers tend to get sticky otherwise. Just let me grab a brush and the transition begins. Pure shellac is food safe and therefore perfect for kitchen related projects when you're planning not to keep alcohol nearby. And here comes the money shot. I love how shellac is able to make the grain pop. Of course, there's also space on the back. And that wraps it up for today. Bye.